How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to be explaining the trading setup that will get you funded. It's not bullshit. Listen to me now. Stay with me. So, why am I saying this? Like, couple lives that I was live trading, right, with the Discord, of course. I took this trade live with the Discord. Here's the proof. It's going to be on the screen. This strategy has really high win rate. You just can't make this up because every stream that I went live, every live stream on Discord, I won a trade. I haven't lost a trade yet. So this is the only setup you need to get funded. This is the only thing that you need. Nothing else. It's really easy to execute. That's the main thing. That's the best thing in it because it is really easy to execute on the charts as well, and it is really easy to trade. Let me show you how I did it. So I was overall bearish, of course. I trade with bias, guys. If you don't trade with bias, you're straight up gambling. So I was bearish for this day because I was, to be honest, I was anticipating this low and this low to get ran out, but it didn't. But it doesn't matter because I still got the trade. Uh, Let me show you how I did it. So this is 10 a.m. news. You wait news, guys. After news, you trade because it has high volatility and there's a volume in the market, right? As you can see, after 10 a.m., what happened? We I'll show you some more examples what you could have done today as well. So on 1 minute time frame, what happened after 10 a.m. news? Prices volatility is going. It is strong. It is strong. That's what I mean. That it is strong. So why we took some buy side here. We didn't take out this high that I was anticipating price to take out, but we had an SMT to be honest. I was looking for to sell from here, but as you can see there, one fair value gap here, one fair value gap here, and two fair value gap here. Yes, both of them got disrespected, but the main thing is when you have couple fair value gaps on the other side, you go on a higher time frame when those fair value gaps become only one. Okay, you go on a 5 minute time frame maybe. It became one, right? Did he get disrespected? No, he got fully respected, like perfectly respected. He didn't get disrespected. So let's go with we. Then we moved up once more. We took out buy side, this buy side liquidity that I was talking about during this stream. I said it before I I traded, but so we are in this dealing range. I was in this deal. I was anticipating this was my dealing range here, right? This was my dealing range. So we went in the premium. We took out buy side in premium zone as well. So what I'm waiting for a fair value gap, the opposing fair value gap to get disrespected to sell, right? I'm looking for sells here. I'm really biased here. So what do we have here? We have a couple fair value gaps. We have this one and we have this one as well. And we have this one down here. So when we have this many fair value gaps, what do? We go in a higher time frame when these fair value gaps become only one fair value gap. But to be honest, you could have taken this trade here as well. This market structure shift. This is a 2022 model for you. You could have taken this trade as well. Sell here and target the lows. But I'm not. That's not my setup because you could have been a seller here as well. If you didn't think that this high would have been ran off, you could have been a seller here. So in my opinion, that's not too consistent. This is consistency that I think this is the consistency that the model that I'm trading. So what do we see here? It became on 3 minute. What do we have on 3 minute time frame? We have one, two fair value gaps. So I go higher. What do I see on a 5 minute time frame? I see one fair value gap only. There you go. Did he get respected? No. This candle closed his body below this fair value gap. So that's a sell signal for me. I sold here. My stop loss, may, the best stop loss here is would have been a high on the high, but my stop loss usually is a candle close above this inversion fair value gap. So this became inversion after he got disrespected, IFVG. So what's my target? The opposing liquidity. target is this low, of course. We could have it could have targeted this lows and this lows as well, but that's the low hanging fruit for me. So it didn't hit at all, but it's okay. So when do we go break even? You go break even after any internal liquidity gets taken. So after this low got taken, I went break even immediately. This is how simple it is. You just you see one fair value gap, you have a bias, you get disrespected, you win. You win, you are quickly, to be honest. You're out quickly. So yeah, we can see another example here. Here, you have this bearish fair value gap, right? You got disrespected, you ran out this side and continued going up to the more buy side, took out this buy side as well. So let's review today's AM session as well. What happened on AM? After news, it was 8:30 news. After 8:30 news, what do we see? We have a big push to the downside. What do we have here? We have a previous day we had a big push to the upside. So where this was kind of a news retraced to the discount of this range, and then we started going up. So what do we see here? Price is coming down, making its own way down to the discount. So from my experience, I see this as an accumulation, this as a manipulation, and it's going to distribute to the upside because price is bullish. So this is a perfect trade to take, not only for power of three, but here, as you can see, what do we have here? After manipulation of these lows, what do we have here? We have singular fair value gap. What's what did this fair value gap? What happened to this fair value gap? It got disrespected with this candle. That's your buy signal. You buy here. Your stop loss is on the low or a candle closure below this. That's what I like. And you target the opposing liquidity, guys. The risk to reward and precisiveness, or whatever the fuck the word is so good on this model, guys. This is the only trading setup you will ever need for your life, I think. This is the best setup I've ever uh, traded, to be honest. I used to trade 2022 model. I used to do that. I still do it, to be honest, on the Forex pairs. When I trade Euro USD, I don't trade this on Euro USD, to be honest. I don't think it is as precise as it is on NQ because NQ is more volatile, in my opinion. But this is what I use for index. Yes, you can say that uh, price is fractal. Yes, price is fractal. I know that. You can do this. ICT does this on any pair, but from my experience on a Euro USD, I can't use this model. But on NQ, it is really high probability and really it has a really high win rate with high risk to reward, to be honest. But this is not this is not what you're going to be profitable with. This is not going to make you profitable if you are a bad trader. If you're a bad trader, you're not a good trader if you say this. You're a bad trader if you have bad trade management, bad psychology, bad risk management, and this strategy is not 100% accurate, but you need to have a bias, of course. You could have lost the trade today, even if you are trading this, because you had a wrong bias. So I think that's it. Feel free to join the Discord to take trades with me. Sometimes I do live trading. I can show you. Just made an announcement on the Discord as well. Let me close this stuff. I made an announcement in the Discord as well. Here's the Discord. Here are the testimonials, the results of my students, the students that just ended their learning. These are the results. There's profits here. I just may edit another service, which is a live trading. Live trading, private daily price action reviews, real-time demonstration of good and bad entries. I also the review your trades. It's a practical lessons. It's just a practical lessons. Daily biases, analysis, guidance, when to trade, when not to trade, when you should trade, and like just practical lessons, which is more useful in my opinion than theory. not in my opinion, it's more useful. Trust me, guys. So feel free to join my Discord, Wealthy Eye. The link will be in the description. I think that's it. Have a good day and have a good trading. Backtest this. You're gonna love it.